Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your car lift service ramps on an Audi A3 or A3. The first step is we are going to the rear side of the car. We have the two ramps on the bottom, flat on the bottom, and then you have to get the ramps in position. That means push the ramps at the vehicle's tires on the back side, on the rear side of it, and then you have to adjust the ramp as it will get in a line with the vehicle itself. Here you can see it is important to get it in one line each side, because if it is not really in one line, your car can have an accident on the ramps. So if you adjusted all the two ramps on each side, and on each side get the ramps in one line, in one direction line with the vehicle and the tires, then we have a seat at the driver's side. Then the next step is push the brake pedal and the clutch pedal. Then start your engine. Here it is. Push it. Then start your engine and shift to the reverse gear. Push down the knob and job's done. Now, engine is still running. Remove or release the handbrake. In this case, it is automatic electronic handbrake, so you have to push down the button. So there it is. And then we are going to drive up the ramp. Remove your feet from the brake pedal. Then remove the clutch pedal pressure and lift the car up until you reach the upper position. Then you have to pull the handbrake again pull the handbrake button, switch to gear number 1, and of course switch off the engine. Good, job's done. So let's go out. Then we are going to use two wedges, and these wedges we place under the front tires. This is the last stand of support. Good job. Now we are ready to work under the car at the rear side. Oh yeah, job's done. That is nice. And safety. So, if you finished your work, you will get the car back on the ground again, of course. For this, you have to remove the wedges first. The wedges are the last stand of emergency. This is important, that this emergency thing is under the front tires. Now, we are not going to use them because we are going to get back the car on the ground again. So, there it is. Remove the wedges and have a seat at the driver's side. Now start the engine, push the clutch pedal and the brake pedal, of course. And then you have to change the gear to gear number 1 to get back on the ground with the car, and remove the handbrake. Release it by pushing the button of the electronic handbrake. To remove the handbrake, you have to push the brake pedal. Good job. Now the handbrake is removed, and then we are going to get back on the ground by removing the pedals, not the pedals, the foot on the pedals, and then you're going down to the ground again with your car. Yeah, do this in a straightforward position. Job's done. Now you can switch off the engine and pull the handbrake again, and of course switch to gear number 1 to support your car while the car is parking. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.